everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shoyab Mahfooz. Today I am going to speak about some life-changing book. I highly recommend to read all these books, and if you want to expand your knowledge and perspective of your life, these books are absolutely amazing. And I will start that Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. This book is basically for those people who want to achieve finance independence and self-development. The author of this book, Napoleon Hill, published this book in the year of 1937 and has sold more than 100 million copies so far. And Think and Grow Rich based on the law of philosophy of achievement. And there are 14 principles listed in this book: discipline and imagination, persistence, power of mastermind, the sixth sense, and thought are think and decision, specialized, faith, knowledge, and the subconscious mind and the brain. Friends, this book concept is a very easy to understand. If you want to be a billionaire, it's a much better to learn from a billionaire. And if you want to happy and success in your life, learn from somebody who has achieved that same level of success in his life already. And you will find it all these things in this book. And also Napoleon Hill explained in this book, you need to exactly know what you want to achieve in your life and what are you willing to give away in return for this goal in your life. And be flexible with your plan. And there are 3 stories in this book. They are absolutely amazing. And second one is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. The author of this book, Dr. Josh Murphy. Dr. Josh Murphy is also author of Power of Subconscious Mind and Believing in Yourself. And Dr. Josh Murphy said that in this book, the power of believing in yourself will help you to achieve your dreams. And Dr. Josh Murphy published this book in the year 1955. And believing in yourself, Dr. Josh Murphy stressed about having and faith one ability, and believing in your inner self and having courage to chase your dream. Last one is Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Rich Dad and Poor Dad is basically for those people who want to be rich in the future. And it's a very inspirational. It's not bragging about richness, and it about how you can be rich in the future. And the lesson in this book are very simple, and language is very simple to understand easily. And the key points are very good, and there are amazing examples which help you to better understand and not waste the money that you get. Focus on the future. And rich people don't work for money. Middle and class lower people work for money. Rich people have a money work for them. And the most powerful assets we all have in our mind, and it well trained, it can create enormous wealth. And work to learn, not for money. When it's come to making a money, because most of the people know only one way, hard work. There is only one skill to away from great wealth. And these were the 3 books, and that were life-changing book for me and you. And I hope this video is very useful for you, and I hope guys you will take this book, and the link to Amazon in my description, just to go to the link and order now. And if you like this video, so please don't forget to comment, and if you haven't my subscribe channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Shoyab Mahfooz, and like my video and share my video.